Did you know that over 70% of TikTok Shop affiliates never make the money they should? Most of them are putting in a ton of effort, but their videos just aren't bringing in sales. Why? Because of a few simple but major mistakes. If you're fed up of creating content and seeing no result, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 3 common mistakes that are keeping TikTok Shop affiliates from making more money. Once you fix these, you will start seeing way better results. Trust me. So, what are these mistakes? Number 1, you are picking the wrong products. Number 2, you are not making enough quality videos for each product. And number 3, you are not using SEO properly. This might sound basic, but they are the reason why your TikTok Shop affiliate game isn't where you want it to be. First, my name is Cha. I'm a full-time TikTok Shop affiliate as a Vietnamese creator in the UK market, and I have been invited to TikTok's London headquarters a few times. I know what works, and I'm here to help you get those sales. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, you pick bad products. What do you mean bad products? 1, you don't do enough research about it, and 2, you literally accept any free samples and hope it will work. When I first started TikTok Shop, I was so happy to accept any free samples, which was fine for the first 2 months. You need some samples to practice anyway. However, if you keep accepting free samples without doing any research, you will end up burning yourself out, filming lots of products and seeing no results, aka no sales. So here are 3 criteria to pick a good product that will convert. Number 1, pick the product that has at least 1,000 sales, 1,000 in stock, 4-star product reviews, and 4-star shop performance. I usually call it 1144 checklist whenever I research a product. Number 2, popularity check. Have you seen it at least 3 times on For You page? TikTok Shop boosts videos of high demand products to more people, so if you have never seen it on TikTok before, it's not a good sign. Number 3, personal relevance. Do you actually use it? Like, why would you request a drill set if you are someone who can't handle a nail? Or why you get Made by Mitchell makeup if you are a guy who cannot even tell the difference between a lipstick and a lip balm? I know it's trending, but would you really use it and show it properly in a video? You see my point? Mistake number 2, you don't make enough quality videos for each product. As a result of accepting lots of free samples, most of which are useless, you don't have enough time to make more quality videos for each product. Remember, TikTok evolves every day and users are getting smarter too. An unboxing video might have worked last year, but now people just skip it in a millisecond. Quantity matters too. It teaches TikTok's algorithm that your page is focused on that product and it will send more traffic your way once it learns. Obviously, one video cannot do that job. You need at least 5 videos per product to teach the algorithm. I got 2 TikTok Shop accounts. On one, I keep making just like 1 video per product, even though I got some sales, the views and sales wasn't significant. On the other account, I only talk about one product, magnesium glycinate, in around 50 videos with different scripts. As a result, TikTok understands that my channel talks about magnesium supplements, giving me more traffic and categorizing my videos faster for better views and SEO. Which leads to mistake number 3, you don't utilize SEO in your videos. Maybe you don't know about it, or maybe you think it's too complicated. But let me tell you, TikTok SEO is way simpler than you think. Before I show you how to do it, let me tell you why it's important. First, it teaches the algorithm about your video content, so TikTok will send it to the right audience, which can help with sales and, or at least with more engagement. Secondly, it helps categorize your video, like this one in here, with a specific keyword. So when someone searches for that topic, your video might appear on their For You page. More views, more engagement, and more sales without any extra effort. So here is how to do it. Pick a keyword you want to teach the TikTok algorithm, like magnesium glycinate or apple cider vinegar gummies. Then sprinkle the keyword wherever possible. Mention it in your TikTok script, TikTok listen, and read your caption too. Write it in the caption. use it as a hashtag or even include it in the video cover. By repeating the keyword multiple times, TikTok learns about your video topic faster, categorizes it better, and gets you more engagement and potential sales. So here is the big takeaway. You have to stay consistent with your content and your keywords. Focus on one product at a time, make multiple videos, and keep repeating that keyword. The more you do this, the quicker TikTok learns what your content is about and the better your results will be. So that's it, the 3 mistakes that are probably keeping you from making money: picking bad products, not making enough content, and ignoring SEOs. Fix these and you will see way better results. Have you made any of these mistakes? Or maybe you have got a different issue holding you back? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more tips on making money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. See you next time!